Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making your phone ready. Confirm it has NFC and that Gcash is updated and you're signed in. Once done, enable NFC in Settings, and if your device asks, set Gcash as the default tap payment app. Make sure your account is verified and has a linked payment source or wallet balance. This avoids declines at checkout. Now position yourself near the merchant terminal and keep the phone screen on. This speeds the tap and prevents accidental lockouts. You open Gcash and choose the tap payment option, either wallet tap or the card on file. You will usually need to authenticate with fingerprint, Face ID, or your PIN. Do that promptly so the terminal can complete the transaction. Then hold the back of your phone close to the payment terminal's antenna and keep it steady. You'll feel a vibration or hear a beep. That means data was exchanged. If the terminal asks, choose credit or debit quickly and follow the clerk's prompts. Complete by confirming the on-screen success and the terminal's receipt. Take a screenshot if you want instant proof. If the payment fails, check your wallet balance, linked card status, and mobile network. Sometimes a quick toggle of NFC off and on fixes the handshake. If problems persist, re-authenticate in the app, remove and re-add the card, or restart the phone. These steps reset credentials and often resolve tokenization errors. Contact Gcash support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.